Hello everyone, welcome to the next session of Spring. In continuation with list mapping in collection, in this session we will see how can we map user-defined objects which are stored in a list in a Spring application. So let's understand this through the code. So here I am creating a new class, say for example project. A company will have project and projects will have employees. So here I will have project class created over here, private int, say project ID, private string project name, and private list of employees for that particular element. Now in this particular class, we will see how this list can be mapped using constructor dependency. In previous application, we have seen how can we do it using setter injection. This is constructor injection. So here I am creating a constructor using fields. So this is the class project which has got list of employees, and then I will add a toString method to display the contents of this project object on the console. So this is project class, this is employee class. Employee class we have already created. Now going to beans.xml, what I'm going to do over here now is I'm going to specify this as emp1. Obviously, I will have to make some changes in the main method where this particular employee is being referred. And I'm creating one more employee object. So employee ID is 2 Smith. Address I'm keeping as it is because we are not focusing on this property dependency right now. And here I will add some other technologies as React.js, Vue, and Angular we will keep as it is. This is employee 2. Now I'm going to map. So here I'm going to map this new class which is project. So class is project. ID will be say project 1. Now this project class has got the constructor. So we will make use of constructor argument tag, then name of the property which is project ID, where the value which we can specify say 1, project ID is 1. Next constructor argument where name is project name, value we will specify as say for example my project 1. And the third constructor argument is nothing but a list. So the name is employees which belong to this particular project. However, it does not contain a value and it is a list. So we will make use of this list tag. And in this list, now I don't have the value. I have other objects. So we will make use of ref. This ref tag has a property as bean, and we will refer to this ID of the bean from here. So it will be EMP1, and the another bean which we need to refer is EMP2. So now in main method, here I will have to make some changes, because when you have multiple objects of same type and you are fetching that data based on class type, you will have an issue over there. So project object, we are going to fetch project equal to context dot get bean, and right now we can specify project dot class, because currently there is only one unique object of project. So system.out.println, maybe we can simply comment these out so that the object output is clear to us. So you can see over here, if we want to analyze this particular output, project has project ID, project name, and then all the employees, where employees is the list, and it contains employee ID, name, address, which is again mapped as an entity, and the technology stack, which is again a list. And such multiple employees are mapped for this project object. So this is about how can we map user defined objects for a list. Thank you.